Guys, now if you want to know all the users in your machine, you know that we can create. But if you want to know a specific information about a particular user, net space username space, I logged in as Uday, right? As you can see here, or else, sorry, net space user space Uday. Then it will be showing the details, the username, account active, password, when was the password last set, or do I have the admin rights or not. This is important for system administrator to know whether that particular user has admin rights or not. As you come down here, it is showing as administrators. That means this user belong to administrator group. This is very important for a system admin to know whether a particular user has an admin rights or not. For that, you need to enter net space user space username. If you don't see as administrator here, that means this username doesn't have the administrator rights, guys. Now we'll also try to create one more user, guys. I'll try to create a user as hacker. So net space user space hacker, and I'll try to create a password as hacker itself, and I'll try to add here. But I think I'll be getting an error, access denied, because this particular, though I am running, I have the admin rights, but I did not run the command as an administrator user. That's the reason, guys, because most of the hack attempts are happening in the backend, viruses and all. That's the reason why in the latest versions of the operating systems, in order to execute like some sensitive commands, you have to run it with an administrator. For that, you need to right click on the command prompt, run as administrator. So now net space user space username, I'll try to create the password as Titanic / add. The user has been created. If I want to confirm whether user created or not, so hacker, guys. When you send a batch file to someone, if you ask him to run as administrator, or else if some hacker sends to you, and if you right click run as administrator, then there are higher chances of user can be created and lot of devastating things can happen to your machine, guys. So now if I have to delete the username from my system, I just have to enter username /dl. The command has been completed successfully. I just deleted the user which I have created. That's it, guys.